Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most useful features added to WhatsApp for desktop, how to go to a message directly from shared links. If you've ever scrolled endlessly trying to find where a link came from, this quick guide will save you time and frustration. Let's jump right into it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version so all the newest features are available. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several icons, one for chats, another for calls, and next to them, the media icon. Give that a click. After clicking the media icon, you'll see a few tabs at the top, such as media, docs, and links. Choose the links tab. This is where all the links shared within that specific chat are organized neatly in one place. It's a clean, quick way to find any shared webpage, video, or article without needing to scroll through messages. Now, browse through the list until you find the link you're looking for. You'll notice each link includes a small preview and the date it was shared. Once you've found the one you want, simply right-click on it. A small menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, select Go to Message. In an instant, WhatsApp will take you straight to the original message where that link was first shared. You'll see the sender's message, the time, and the full context of that conversation just like that. No more guessing who sent what or when. This small but powerful update makes managing and revisiting shared content on WhatsApp PC so much smoother. Whether you're working, studying, or keeping track of important discussions, it's now easier than ever to jump back to the exact message you need. And that's it. You now know how to go to a message directly from shared links in WhatsApp's latest desktop update. Try it out and see how much more organized your chats feel.